Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So we looked at a few cars and finally we found one that we wanted to pick up. The guy's towing thing came through and the guy was supposed to tow it to our house and he couldn't get it to work out. So we had to rent a U-Haul with a 2-wheel dolly to go pick it up because it doesn't run or drive. But hopefully we'll be able to get it running. So not going to tell you what it is. You're gonna have to watch this video, find out what it is, and just wait till you see it and what it is. So we'll be there in a little while, but I'll resume this video when we get there. All right, so we're here and we just picked up the car. There's the U-Haul truck and there's the dolly right there. Oh, got a little bit of the car. Let's see what it is. So we picked up a 2001 Saturn SC2 Sport Coupe 2 with 90,000 miles on it. Just needs a slave cylinder because it doesn't start because of the clutch. It's got new rims, new tires. So let's walk around this car real quick and then we'll get back to the house. So let's check it out. Needs a clean up. Kid's car to pack. So we got it up there, got it all strapped down. You got the keys out?
No.
All right, take the keys out of the ignition. So that's a little bit of the interior. So let's get it back to the house and then we'll go through it. You can
roll up the window.
We'll finish looking it over. Yeah, roll up the window. All right, well, let's go. We got about an hour drive home, so we'll be back when we get to the house. All right, so we got the Saturn here and it's all ready to go. It's not chained up, so we're gonna get ready and push the car off. So I think we got a nickname for the Saturn. We're gonna call her Bumblebee. So we're gonna push her off and then tomorrow we'll come back and we'll check it out, check all the fluids and check the inside. So let's push it off. All right, so as you can see, it's getting dark. So there she is right there. So we'll come over tomorrow and we'll resume the video and we'll check it out. So come back tomorrow. We got to get the truck back. About 30 minutes from here. We got to head back by 7:30. So we're gonna wrap this up for today. And then we'll be back tomorrow and we'll check out the car. All right, so it's a 2001 Saturn SC2. So the SC2 is the dual overhead cam 1.9 liter. So it's a little bit faster than the SC1 because the 1 stands for single overhead cam. The 1 stands for single overhead cam. So let's check this out. So I know the interior is dirty and it needs a shift boot. But other than that, it's got a little rip in the seat right here, but it needs to be cleaned out. So we're gonna gut the whole interior out, just like the other one. Mats, center console, everything. We're gonna place the shift boot on it. We're gonna place the radio. We're gonna aftermarket radio for it. But back seat, it's got a little center console there for the back, so that's pretty cool. And the seats. So yeah, it's got 90,000 miles on this car. Let's check it out. Here. 90,462 miles. It's got a service engine soon light on. That came on. He said that's on because of the oil change, so it needs an oil change right up there. So let's do 88,000. So it's a little over. Well, 80,000 was when it was done, so it's probably due for it. We're gonna do it anyways. We do it with all our cars that we get. So we're gonna clean this all out. Try to fix this here. So we'll take this thing out here and we'll fix that. Sunroof doesn't work right now, so we're gonna have to do some troubleshooting on that. But this door opens like this, and so it's a third door, so you can actually see the whole thing. So that's pretty cool. I like that about it. So and it's got aftermarket wheels, almost brand new tires on it. Brand new tires. They're all So those are nice. They still got the ribs inside there. Let's open the hood here. Let's see it. There's the hood, and there's the trunk. So let's check out the back here. So it's got the map. It says Saturn in here. So needs to be cleaned up, taken all out of there. There's a little bit of water over there because the sunroof's leaking. So we got to pull this whole, got this whole interior out, clean all that up. So we got to do that. Let's check underneath the hood here. Let's grab the keys real quick. So it's got a little visor for the sunroof also. So let's put this in here like this. Let's open this up. So it's got a twin cam, 16 valve, dual overhead cam. So there's one cam, there's the other cam. Needs a belt right there. But it doesn't start because of the slave cylinder. The slave cylinder is down there, and it's an external slave cylinder, so it's outside the transmission. And he went to put it in, he messed up and took out the little plastic piece on the end of the slave cylinder, so when he put it in, it fell in the bow housing. So he didn't want to get it fixed because it was going to cost over $700 to get this car fixed. So I got it fairly cheap. So we rented a dolly and got it. So hopefully we can, next video, we'll take it apart and get that slave cylinder out of there and get that piece out of the bell housing. If not, we'll separate the engine, bell housing, and get that out of there. And we'll put the new slave cylinder in there. We'll do an oil change, and we'll see if she fires up. But yeah, so that's I think that's going to be it for this video. So I've got some things to do, so we'll come back tomorrow and we'll start that. And the next video we'll start working on it, start getting some stuff fixed on it, get it running. We got to get some touch-up paint for there and all along there, but it's actually not metal, it's all plastic fiberglass. So this car is really light for a dual overhead cam 1.9 liters, so it's pretty quick. So we'll get it running and then we'll go drive it and we'll see how fast it is. So it's got inspection already done, so it doesn't expire till June 2020. So that's good. And headlights already been replaced. He's already replaced the headlights, but it's only got 90,000 miles on it. So we'll see after we get it running, get it fixed up, and we'll put it up for sale. We'll see what we can get for it. But I think that's a wrap for this video. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like, share our channel. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motive Garage. So if you like the Saturn, and of course it's yellow, but 90,000 miles and what I got it for, and if we can get it fixed, it'd be one heck of a deal. So we'll see. Stay tuned, see if we can get it running, and we'll see if we can get it driving down the road. But for next time, we'll see you next time on JC Motive Garage. Thanks for watching.